Welcome to our Venti guide, where we'll explore the story and abilities of the Anemo Archon. Venti is a powerful character from Mondstadt, known for his charming and carefree personality. Venti's story is deeply connected to the history of Mondstadt and the Anemo vision. His past experiences have shaped him into the character we know today, with a strong sense of justice and a desire to protect his friends. Venti's Anemo abilities make him a versatile character, capable of dealing damage and providing support to his team. His elemental skill, Wind's Grand Ode, and elemental burst, Stormbearer, are essential tools in any team composition. Venti's abilities make him a great fit for teams that require crowd control and elemental reactions. He can be paired with characters like Kia, Lisa, or Fiscal to create powerful team compositions that take advantage of his Anemo skills. To get the most out of Venti, you'll want to focus on building his artifact set and weapon. The Viridescent Hunt set is a great choice, as it provides a boost to his Anemo damage and energy recharge. For his weapon, the Elegy for the End is a powerful bow that complements his abilities. That's it for our Venti guide, where we've covered his story, abilities, and best builds. We hope you found this content helpful and informative. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to discuss, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Genshin Impact content and join our community.